So the first thing is you have to download Kiwi browser. Okay, you don't do this on, you don't install this Chrome extensions on Chrome. You have to download the Kiwi browser. So this is the Kiwi browser. So after downloading the Kiwi browser, you go and search for Chrome Web Store. Okay, Chrome Web Store. Yeah, so this is it. You can now search for any keyword and any extension. One of the keyword tools I showed in my video. If you not watch that, there was going to be a link for you to watch that and check the description. So you can search for keyword 2 everywhere. Keyword everywhere. Okay, that's also a tool that is for for your keyword research. So you can see this is the keyword tool, and you can see right now that it's saying add to Chrome. So you just add whatever to Chrome. Okay. So here is how to locate the extensions. Okay, so you can see these are all the extensions that I've installed already for my keyword research. And this Productor Format by Amazon, Titans Quick View. Okay, so you can go to details and click on the allow incognito tab. So you can see right now that the extensions are now working. Okay, so this is AMZ Solution Expander, and when you click on the keyword, you can find other tools working. Thank you.